I am fire. I am light. I am glorious. Supernatural. I am fire. I am light. I am glorious. The supernatural. I am fire. I am light. I am glorious. The supernatural. Hey, I'm on fire.
Hey, sister. What's going on with you? What's going on? I keep hearing, but I'm not sure. What is it about? Our anniversary is coming on the 16th of November 2025. The host is Pastor Kenny Adesoya and ministry will be Pastor Richard Adeboye. Can't wait to see you. Come and be blessed. Thank you.
I have fire to carry grace. I have grace to carry fire. And I remain.